Time to die, mother truckers. Part round 6. Urgh. So this is how you kill ants. You put soap. You're supposed to mix soap and boiling water together, but we should have mixed it before. So now we're gonna pour boiling water on. Okay. Burning time. I see the little ants right there. Yes. Burning time. Mother truckers. My neighbor's probably watching me think I'm crazy. They're looking out the window. Die, die, die. That's all comment. That's pretty funny. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this kills them for good. What? There's another one? Gosh dang it. Die, 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 die. Alright. There's one down.